Yo guys, in today's video, if you guys want to learn how to get this unreleased skin that I'm wearing right now in the lobby, make sure to keep watching. Also, I literally found a method on how you guys can gift yourself the Renegade Raider. For example, if we typed in this Discord server gift skin, and then you guys type in the Renegade Raider, we can literally gift ourselves the Renegade Raider skin, and we can wear it in the lobby. The bot literally gives you the Renegade Raider skin, as you guys can see, and then we can go back in Fortnite and actually change our skin, and we should be granted with the Renegade Raider skin immediately. So once you guys have done that, you guys should have the Renegade Raider skin, including every single other cosmetic, including banners, backlings, skins, and basically everything, pickaxes, etc. There's a bunch of stuff that you guys can do with this, so make sure to keep watching the full entire video. It's actually crazy. But without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so what you guys want to do is go into the link of the description. Once you guys are there, it's going to take you to a linkvertise link. Basically, that linkvertise link I will pull up in a minute for you guys. So what you guys want to do, like I said, is go into the link of the description. And then, once you guys are there, you guys want to go through these simple steps. And you guys want to subscribe to myself on YouTube. And then go back and subscribe to my friend X Shadow. Also guys, this is the only legit method on how to get Renegade Raider. So if you guys are watching this, you guys are definitely gonna be happy once you guys actually find out that this actually works. So then once you guys have done the both processes, you guys want to press unlock link, and it should take you to the linkvertise link. And then once you guys are here, you guys just want to press I'm not a robot, and then press free access. And then when you guys are here, you guys want to press download Fortnite dev, press save. If you have to go through some steps, just go through the steps. They're pretty simple and very easy to go through. And then once you guys have done that, you guys want to proceed with these steps by double clicking on the download, and then it's going to take you to the linkvertise. So you guys want to press next, decline these promotions, and then press open. Now it's going to take you to my Beacons AI link, which basically has every single Fortnite dev, and basically all the tutorials for my videos are in here. So for this video, we're going to go on to Boogie FN, and you guys want to press I'm not a robot, and go through the same processes that you did earlier. So press download Boogie community, press save, double click on the download, and then press yes. Next, decline these promotions, and then press open. And then when you guys are here, it's going to eventually take you to the Discord server, which is right here. Once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the Get Boogie, and then you guys want to click the first link, which will take you to the Boogie FN website. Once you guys are here, you guys just want to press download for Windows, and then just press download. Now it's going to download the hybrid version for Boogie FN, so you guys can double click on the download, press more info, run anyway. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the auth code, and then for the auth code, you guys want to go onto these rebrand, and then it's gonna take you to Epic Games. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you want to get all these skins on, and then double click on the authorization code, press copy, and then bring it over to the launcher and then paste it in. And then once you guys are here, you guys just want to press login, and it's gonna make sure you actually have the right code. I think I may have put the wrong code by accident. But yeah, once you guys have done that, you guys want to go into the third link, which is gonna be the second link. Which is gonna be a GitHub link. Basically, with this, guys, you guys want to press Easy Installer and actually install Easy Installer onto your device. So double click on the download and then type in D, press enter, and then where it says a custom manifest URL, you just want to go back into the Discord and actually copy the third link, copy that, and then paste it into the Easy Installer link. And then once you guys have done that, you guys want to enter a game file location. So go on File Explorer, press down. You guys want to go and press Desktop. Right click, press new folder. I'm gonna name this Boogie FN video number 3, and then double click on the folder, and then where the name is on the right of this white space, you guys want to click on it. Right click, copy it. You guys can right click and copy it, or you can press Control-C, and then you guys want to go back on to the Easy Installer and press enter, and then it's gonna install basically all these files into that file that you just created. So basically, it's going to have an ETA right here. That's how long it's going to take for this to actually install. Do be patient, by the way. For me, it takes around 6 to 10 minutes. But for some of you guys, it could take 30 to even an hour. So be patient. It all depends on your quality of your PC. If you have a really high advanced PC, it should take very quick, maybe even 3 minutes. But if you have a low-end PC, it could take up to an hour. So I already have this installed, so I'm not going to install it. But basically, once you guys have done that, you guys just want to go on to the Boogie FN launcher. I'm gonna redo it because my authorization code didn't work, so I'm gonna try again and paste it in, and then press login. and then it should successfully log in. And then you guys want to press launch, and then where it asks for a file destination, you guys want to go onto the Boogie FN video number 3, or basically whatever folder that you installed it. I didn't fully install it onto that folder, so I'm just gonna press Boogie FN and then launch it. It should launch automatically, and then basically when you guys launch it, you guys can go onto the Discord, because now I'm gonna be teaching you how to actually gift yourself skins. So once you guys are on the Discord, you guys want to go onto the premium only. Now you guys do need premium to actually gift yourself skins, but if you want to go on the free version, it'll basically just you'll get every single skin, but you won't be granted with like a gift. So like see how I'm granted with a gift. You guys will just load in like that, and you'll have every single cosmetic, including the 1 million V-Bucks, and of course the one single Guff skin in the item shop. But yeah, once you guys have done that, that's gonna be it. But like I said, it's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. It has been your boy Radius. Have a good day. Peace out.